Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Mo, and I'm back again with another video. Hey, shout out the hat, Africa Plays. Y'all check it out. But today is Saturday, December 21st, 2024. And I'm gonna do a weekly recap for the markets. Before I start, I just want to say this week was a really learning week, right? I didn't take any trades, but I learned a lot this week, and it had a lot to do with my psychology, right? And before we start, I want to try this out. So I haven't seen this yet, so we're gonna see it together. Let me make this smaller. All right, cool. Let's see it together. I don't know what they're gonna show me, but let's try it. All right, cool. See my highlights. Okay. 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 94 indicators. What? I use the EMA. Yeah, I definitely use. Yeah. These are the ones I use, man. I use 94 indicators. What do you mean? These are the only ones I use. Okay. Yeah, I did read. I read some of the news. A little bit of the news. Next, one layout. Yeah. Yeah. All right, that's enough of this. Let's move on. So let's get into the charts. I'm gonna open a second chart right here to open. Okay, silver is already open here. I'm gonna open gold over here, and we're just gonna go through the markets this week. Start on Monday. So daily. Let's replay Monday. What's going on right here? All right, cool. So, 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 cool. Monday. So, pulling up to the market, obviously you can see on silver we're bearish. On a weekly, daily, 4 hour, we are bearish. So, come into the market on silver, I'm looking at stuff. Like, that's literally what I'm trying to do. So, let's go forward. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool. So, I pulled to the market this Monday, right? And I'm looking to sell. Keep that in mind. I'm looking to sell because we're bearish on all time frames. Now, I'm trying to find an order block. But really, this one, I guess, could be considered an order block, but I just don't like it because look at this. Price has been consolidating in this zone. So obviously, there was no order block. Like, price just did ridiculous stuff. It was unnecessary. Like, look at this. Look at this choppiness. But if you go on gold, you can see we're bullish on a weekly. Daily, we're bullish because higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we're bullish, but we have strong momentum to the downside, and silver is already bearish, so most likely gold is gonna go bearish as well. So I was looking to sell as well into the market on Monday morning. So we come to the market on Monday. Okay, no. Since gold was bullish, I was looking to buy up here to sell from it. But keep that in mind, we're looking to sell on silver, so cross-pair correlation, and then yeah, price just consolidated in this area. It did give a nice entry signal, but this is at like 8, and at this point, silver is just consolidating in the zone, so I'm just not taking it. It's just not worth it to me. So I didn't take a trade. Discipline. Stay discipline. Stay discipline. That's it. Anyways, cool. So that happened. So then, coming to the market on Tuesday, still looking to sell on silver because all the time frames are bearish. So we come to the market on Tuesday. I found this beautiful order block to sell from. Price obviously went up, did not respect the order block, and then just did this. Like, it just consolidated in the zone. Like, bro, come on, dog. And I was looking to sell on silver. And then gold did push down eventually. So then coming to the market on Tuesday morning, I was looking to sell because now gold is shifting bearish. Found this order block, price pulled back to it, did not respect it, just did all this shenanigans and stuff. So I was like, okay, whatever. Now, this is where I say it's a learning lesson this week because I know that's better for y'all. Is that better for y'all? But this has to say it's a learning week because Wednesday and Thursday, a lot of stuff happened, and yeah, let's just get. So price had a big push overnight, the upside, and then let's go on silver because silver is where it really. So I'm into the market the next day. The next morning, I'm coming to the market. I'm looking to sell on silver again. I'm looking to sell because all the time frames are bearish. The gold is still bullish, but it is pushing to the downside. The momentum is telling me it's pushing to the downside. So I'm looking to sell now. So obviously, come to the market on on Wednesday. Silver, I was waiting for this pullback to this order block right here because there isn't really a good one. There is one right here, but it already got used. Obviously, it needs break past here, so there's levels support right here. But so I'm like, okay, cool. It needs more momentum. It needs more liquidity to move down to the downside. So I was waiting for the pullback up here and then to sell from. Obviously, that didn't happen. Is what it is. But I come to the market and I'm looking to sell on gold. Now, I come to the market and I'm looking for an order block. And price just kept doing this thing and then eventually had this big push right here. And then made this beautiful order block. So guess what? Now I'm waiting for the retest of the order block, go to the downside, give my interesting evening stop guy to take the trade. And I missed out on this beautiful trade. Like, it's just a good trade. Now, why do I say I missed out? And this is where the psychology part comes in. At the end of the day, every single day at like around 6 p.m., I analyze the charts. Why? So I can figure out what I did right and what I did wrong. You guys have to back test. Like, you need to be able to understand what you did right and what you did wrong in the market. What you can do to fix it. So that's what I did. And I came to the market at 6 and I realized, oh, I was looking for an order block and there was one right here. Let me show you. Like, so me, I saw this order block right here to sell from. But what is? I already made a beautiful order block right here. And let me go back to the time frame so you guys can see. Look at it. Made a beautiful order block from here. So all I had to do was just wait for the retest, give me an evening star pattern, which it did. Give it to me right there. Boom. And yes, it made a new order block, but I would put my stop loss above here. 285, right? Yeah, there you go. And then first TP would be right here. This is a 1, 2, what? 1, 2, 3. And look at it. Beautiful trade. And I missed it because I didn't really analyze the charts. I'll be honest with you. That's the only conclusion that I can come up with. Like, I analyzed the charts, but I didn't realize because price was just consolidating. So like seeing this order block I don't know. Price was consolidating this area and I just was not looking at this order block and I saw a good one right here and I was just waiting for it. So that's on me and we missed out on that trade. It is what it is. So I wasn't really mad about it. It's part of the game, right? You live and you learn. You keep developing. And now the daily is definitely bearish now. So coming into the market on Thursday, I'm like, okay, cool. We missed the trade on Wednesday. It's all good. Thursday we'll come back. If another opportunity presents itself, we'll take it. So go back to the trade on Thursday. Now, first, let me show you on gold. Gold did not give me a really good order block. It was consolidating in this area again, and then started having the push. It did give me an order block right here, but obviously never pulled back to it and just kept going and going and going. Never pulled back to this order block. So this is what it is. But silver, this is where the psychology part, again, this is a learning week for me. I didn't take a trade. So I come to the market, right? And I'm not doing the same area I did yesterday. Look, there's one order block right here. And then price push up again, give me an evening stop pattern. So one, I could have taken a trade right there. But it made a new order block. And from last week or 2 weeks ago, when price makes a new order block out of a decent order block, you need to trust the second one. And that's what I was doing. So I told myself, okay, cool. I'm gonna just wait for this retest of this new order block, take a trade, which it did retest. So guess what? The market gave me two opportunities right here. One right here, because I could have taken after this evening stop pattern on this order block. And then two, I could have taken it right here. But why didn't I take it right here? Because it didn't close below here. It was pushing down, but it closed above here. So I needed to close here to know, okay, we're going to the downside for sure. So I told myself, okay, cool. I'm gonna just wait for the next candlestick because normally when it closes like this, the next candlestick fills this wick in and close it below. If it definitely closes below here, then I know, okay, we're going to the downside. Next candlestick didn't really do that. It clicked close out of doji. So now I'm like, okay, do I really want to wait one more? I should wait for one more candle to give me a clear confirmation to take this trade. At the same time, I had to go to work early, but that is not an excuse. I'm not even gonna use that excuse. I should have taken this trade. I'm putting this all on me, taking full accountability. So I told myself, okay, cool. I'm just wait for the next bearish engulfing candle. Not even engulfing. The next bearish candle to tell me, okay, there's momentum to the downside, and then the next candle stayed. Now, this candle closed right here. In my mind, I should have taken this. I really should have. But guess what I was thinking? I was thinking to myself, wow, if I do this, my stop loss is going to be all the way up here. Press could pull back because now there's an order block right here that it could tap into. Then stop me out because there's a large order block. I just don't like this stop loss. It's a really large stop loss. But it's a good TP though. So, didn't take this trade. And it was EMA rejection as well. Same thing with here. If I had taken, hypothetically, if I had taken there, here, stop loss 5, 283. Look at it. Beautiful EMA rejection. EMA rejection. But this was just a good trade, like a beautiful trade overall. And like always, I didn't take it. And then news was coming out as well as 8:30, and I just wasn't confident in the news, so I didn't take the trade. So all these factors added in, but realistically, I should have just taken this trade. And not only did it completely destroy this, look at it. 6, I'm pretty sure. It gives a 1 to 6. 1 to 6. So then I was a little mad. Now this is like the psychological part of trading that nobody talks about. Like you get mad at yourself for trade that you realistically. I'm gonna just put this here so I can learn a lesson. But yeah, I should have taken that trade. I really should have. And it pisses me off because I'm the only person accountable for this. I'm the reason I didn't take the trade. I was scared. To be honest with you, I was scared. I didn't want to lose the trade. I didn't want the price to go against me. I wasn't sure about news. I should have taken this trade. But like, you learn, you live, and you learn. Now I'm gonna apply it. And it's because I'm asking for God for opportunities in the market, and He gives me opportunities. I don't take them. Like, come on, dog. Come on, bro. I'm talking to myself right now. I was so disappointed in myself. I was talking to God. I was praying. I was like, God, I'm sorry. I'm asking for the opportunities. You gave me the opportunities. You gave me 2 opportunities back to back, Wednesday and Thursday. And the Wednesday one, okay, I understand it, but I just didn't see it. The Thursday one, it was there. I just didn't take it because I didn't want to lose. Because I was scared. That's on me, God. But God, keep blessing me with opportunities, and I'm gonna keep taking them. So coming to the market on Friday, I had all this energy where I wanted to take a trade. But it's why you stay disciplined, kids. Stay disciplined. So coming into the market, I'm still looking to sell because now we're just pushing the downside. On this order block, waited for the retest, didn't come back. Made a new order block, waited for this retest. And yeah, never retested. So we missed out on this loss. We dodged a loss on both order blocks. Price just skyrocketed. And like I said, trading time is fractal in trading. Trading is fractal. Whatever happens on a lower time frame happens on a high time frame. When it breaks below, it comes back to retest, and it continues to the downside. And it's even more evident on gold. So we're looking at sell right here. Again, pull back, didn't give me a good entry signal, did not even respect it, completely destroyed it, and pushed up. And then if you go into a daily, you can see, okay, price is coming back to retest this order block on a daily. Because time is fractal, it does the same thing over again. And then USD CAD, we didn't take a trade, there was no setup. The market did move a lot though, but there was, and EDUSD no setup. Overall, like I said, this is a learning week. I definitely learned a lot. I gotta trust my analysis, I gotta trust myself, and I gotta be ready for these opportunities to come. So yeah, locking in, and I gotta do what I gotta do. I want to make it. Like, I feel it. I'm so close to it. All I gotta do is stay disciplined, follow my trading plan, risk management, and get my mind right. Like that's what I need to succeed. I know that God is with me every step. So yeah, really great video. Hope you guys learned something from this. When your opportunity comes and your trade sale happens in the market, take the risk. Scare money don't make no money. Take the risk. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. And I'm gonna make a video talking about what I'm gonna be changing YouTube next year and what I'm gonna be. Yeah, God bless you. God keep